Hi, Heather Weiner here again with another sample box. It's our fall sample box. So excited to show you what's inside this one. It's September, so you will be getting one now, and there are still some left, so please claim them now. First of all, as always, you will be getting a survey, information about the products that you will be getting in there, for a letter from me, and a full survey. Please answer this. The vendors in this box have been very kind to share their products with us. So please, least you could do is give them an answer about how much you like their products and if you'd like to carry them. And it'll be just so helpful for them. So thank you so much for that. And then on top of that, we have some literature on some of the products and an envelope to return your survey as well. So lots of good stuff on top. And then digging in. Let's dig in now. We have from Clipper Tea, some organic strawberry elderflower herbal tea. This sounds wonderful. I can't wait to try it. Thank you, Clipper. Next up, we have Dixie Grace's artisanal boiled peanuts. I can't wait to try these either. I actually have tried those now that I think about it. I've had these at Expo, and they're kind of like edamame where you squeeze them out, but they're really interesting. A new product, a new way of doing things, and I know they've been catching a lot of attention. So thank you, Dixie Grace. Next up, from Nature's Formulary, we have Shankpushi for anxiety and mood. It's an Ayurvedic herb, which has been getting a lot of attention lately. And, definitely for anxiety and mood, we need that right now. So thank you so much, Nature's Formulary. We're going to use this a lot now. And we got to make sure our omegas are all good. So thank you, Ocean Blue, for our Omega 3 2100 with vitamin D3. So we have 2100 mgs and 50 mcgs of vitamin D. So omega 3s and vitamin D, great formula. And this is going to be really cool for our omegas. Thank you so much, Ocean Blue. Let's see what else we have. We have omega 3 smoothies. We have two of these actually. Two omega 3 smoothies. They're ALA, collagen, and astaxanthin, and one is omega 3 skin and hair and immunity. One tastes like custard tart, and the other tastes like cherry chocolate. Both sound delicious. And these are just smoothies that you will drink and get all your supplementation. And these are from Byron, so thank you so much, Byron. And they're omega 3 smoothies, and they're delicious. So thank you so much. Appreciate that. Next up, we got from Michael's. Thank you so much for essential immune nutrients. It has vitamin A, C, and D3, zinc, and so much more. Coming to the fall, we know that we need to take care of our immune products. So thank you so much, Michael's, for this. Now from Bio Nutrition, we have GLP-1 Support Wellness. These products have been so hot right now. And this is another one that will definitely help your digestive and gut health, muscle recovery, and glycogen support. And definitely, we know that GLP-1 support has been very big right now, and BioNutrition is definitely a good product to be using for that. Next up, we got SCX Lymphatic Drops. This has been a product that's been around for a while, and they just want to remind you of this. Lymphatic has been a big trend right now too, so this is something that you should be carrying and should be very useful to a lot of your people as well. So it provides lymphatic support and it's daily drops. Thank you so much, SCX. Next up, Boron. Boron's always a great partner here. We have Coskenum melt-away pellets as always. They are homeopathic medicine, and this one is for incontinence relief, reduces fat bladder leaks. So this is a great product for these problems. As we know, a lot of people do suffer from this. So this is thank you, Boron, for helping out here. And then next up, we have Bold Botanica, a bold elderberry elixir. Again, we're taking care of immune, so everyone's making sure that we're not getting sick this fall with seasonal wellness, and elderberry, of course, is great for that. We have a nice little pack from Natural Remedies. They're great friends, and they got this nice little bag here, and inside a bunch of samples. One is their gut guard, so again, we're taking care of our gut. And we got some of their elixir, which is great for anxiety and just for stress and sleep. And we also have some of their new ashwagandha too, and some information as well. So nice little packet here from Natural Remedies. Thank you so much, Natural Remedies. And we have from Carlson, calcium plus D3 gummies. That's a great combination. This is going to be awesome. 500 milligrams of calcium and 1,000 IUs of D3 per serving. And this is great for bone health, muscle function, and calcium absorption. So thank you, Carlson, for giving us these great gummies. Next up, from Azor, we have some vegetable seasoning. It's organic, and hey, it's going to help our food taste good in cooking. I've been trying to cook more, so I'm going to try this as well. What do we got now? We got from Nature's Answer, Sambucus Immune. It's a black elderberry as well, so we are definitely making sure that everybody's immune systems are going to be healthy. And going into fall, and it's lots of shows going on and lots of other things, making sure that you take your elderberry. So we're keeping you handy there. And next up, we got Lily of the Desert, Aloe Herbal Stomach Formula. So this is going to balance your stomach acid and naturally support for digestive health. So once again, we're taking care of digestive health as well with some aloe. Thank you, Lily. And next up, we got Enzyme Medica, colostrum and probiotics, a digestive superfood for gut health. So again, we're taking care of the gut. Colostrum has been so hot right now. As we know, probiotics are continuing to be very popular. And we did a webinar not that long on this product. So I'm excited to try it as well. So thank you so much, Enzyme Medica. And last but not least, we got from Ridgecrest. Again, we're going to keep our digestive health healthy. This is Belly Be Happy, a digestive comfort support. It supports a healthy microbiome. It's herbal and a probiotic supplement. So thank you so much, Ridgecrest, for making sure that we have a healthy belly as well. So that's a wrap for the fall sample box. It looks great. I can't wait to try all these products. I'm sure you can. So please sign up now and you can get it. I know there's some left. So if you sign up, you will get them. And then, of course, we will be doing one in the spring and March as well. And don't forget to fill out your surveys. Thank you so much. Until next time, thanks. Bye-bye.